Hi guys, and welcome to making drip coffee with Super Isaiah. So you gotta get a cup like this, and a coffee canister, a canister of coffee. It doesn't have coffee in it yet, but that's what we're gonna fix. So first off, you put that in there. Yeah, get all that good water in there. Oh, yep. Perfect. Now we take this over to the magical coffee dispenser machine. All good. Oh, don't mind that. That would have been a topic for an older video back when I was a young kid a day ago. Perfect. Now, of course, you'd want this to go in there, but first we're going to want the water to be hot. Hot water. So we just put it in the magical coffee machine. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's like pee. Because I'm lactose intolerant, we're going to be going with almond milk. Delicious. And so we're going to take this, right? We have this. And then we're going to take this. Perfect. Okay. So now, of course, we're going to want something for flavor. Oh, that'll do. Sugar. Now, of course, we have vanilla. Every flavor has to have vanilla added to it. Let's see what else we got in here. Cinnamon. Now what we're going to do is microwave that. Perfect. Maybe a bit burnt. But who cares, we're adding milk. There, now we can put it back in. I'll put the spoon on the apple to let it get more apple flavoring on it, right? Almond milk. Guess we still gotta wait a little bit. Now let me make sure the milk's still warm. So what we're gonna do here is wait. We're gonna put that like right there. So essentially this will make now it's like a machine that only pours out the liquid and doesn't get any of those chunks. there we go. Done. Now, the only hard part is that we have to come up with a name for this coffee. You guys can leave a comment saying what you think this coffee should be called. I'm gonna end it by having this soaking in it. Like how lemon, you put lemon in other drinks. You put apple in this drink. There we go. Perfect. Anyway, now for the taste test. Oh, the ultimate test. Because this is really what matters in the end, isn't it? Well, that's good. We'll just lean down while I drink it. We're gonna see if it's good. Yeah, that's fine. I can taste the apple, I can taste the cinnamon. I can't taste the vanilla, but vanilla's overrated anyway. It's not overrated, but maybe you just don't need to taste the vanilla. Maybe the vanilla's there to supplement everything else. The cinnamon does affect the consistency of the coffee. It's more... It's not as runny. It's the best way, I don't know the scientific term for it, but syrup-like, except for not to that extent, just a little bit closer to syrup than coffee. No, a little bit closer to syrup than most coffee would be, but it's still very much like coffee. It's just a little bit thicker. That's the word, thick. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the flip side and stuff. I'm only posting this because I thought, why not? I have nothing else to post for a long time now. I'm working on a big thing, but you guys don't care about that. That's it.